Congratulations, you took the first step towards getting back to the activities you love pain-free, and you booked an initial evaluation with one of our docs here at MotionRx. Here's exactly what you can expect from us on your very first visit. When you come in, you'll be greeted by our office manager here at the front desk, who will check you in and confirm that all of your intake forms have been filled out. She'll then give you a quick tour of our clinic to let you know where everything is, including our incredible snack bowl selections, and help answer any additional questions you may have. You can feel free to grab a seat in either our waiting area or our recovery lounge, where you can utilize any of our complimentary Normatec and Hypervolt products. But don't get too comfortable, as we always start on time. Your doc will come out and greet you, introduce themselves, and bring you back into one of the private treatment rooms. In the room, we'll be able to take the time to listen to your story in order to find out what exactly is going on and how these issues originally came up in the first place. We'll also be able to collaborate with you to find out what your biggest dreams and goals are, so that we can start to put together the perfect plan or roadmap to get you back to the activities you love pain-free. After chatting with you, your doc will take you through an in-depth assessment in order to diagnose what is causing the pain and limitations, and to find what the root causes of the issues are. From there, we'll take the time to explain to you exactly what is going on, why we may be experiencing this current pain and injury, but even more importantly, how we can actually overcome this frustrating nagging pain to be able to get you back to the activities you love stronger and better than before. Once we are able to understand what's going on, our goal that day is to be able to find 2 to 3 exercises that specifically address the root causes of your symptoms, so that you can immediately start feeling better. We'll also be able to provide you with an individualized plan and program every single visit that you come in, so you know exactly what you need to do outside of here in order to continue progressing closer and closer to your goals. Based on the symptoms you present with, the specific assessment, and the diagnosis and results that we found, your doc will then recommend you a package of plan of care that will progress you through the entire plan of care and get you back to your goals and activities you love pain-free. We'll explain in depth what to expect, what will occur at every visit moving forward, and why these visits are so important to getting you back to your ultimate goal pain-free. We'll outline the exact process we use to take you from pain all the way to high performance, where you'll be stronger than ever, more confident, and even more resilient than you were before. We'll then schedule out your next few appointments, help answer any remaining questions you may have, and remind you to keep an eye out on your email for the updated exercise program that we'll send you after your evaluation, so that you can start immediately working on the plan after your appointment. The goal of this initial evaluation is to be able to provide you with a crystal clear understanding of what we think is going on, and more importantly, to be able to give you hope and help you understand that you don't actually need to live with these pains, aches, and limitations. Life is too short to not be doing the activities you love pain-free. We're here to not only help you and guide you, but to also give you a step-by-step roadmap so that you can actually overcome this and get back to the things you love. We can't wait to work with you. See you soon.